Hello viewers, Assalamualaikum again, welcome. Today we're going to show you very beautiful and amazing designs of bottle recycle ideas. We give you very beautiful and amazing ideas of how to recycle your bottles and how to style your home. So these are very interesting and beautiful design. Let's dive into the world of very beautiful and crafting ideas. So you can get very beautiful and amazing ideas from this video. So in this video we will show you how to make beautiful designs, beautiful styles like this, beautiful ornaments like this. Attach some ornaments on craft bottles, and don't throw away your wasted bottles. Once you waste a bottle and finish your drink and your mind is on, so you throw away this bottle and dustbin it. But don't do this. Recycle bottle is good for our earth, healthy for our life, and necessary for our ocean. One bottle is very useful for us. One wasted bottle, we can recycle it, and one special more thing, that we can grow our business with the one wasted bottle. So if we recreate designs with our artistic mind, we can use jute rope, burlap fabric, and some flowers, some ornaments, acrylic color, and if we can add these type of things, so our bottle will be recreated within these designs, with these materials, so it came out very beautiful way. So how you feel about that? How you think about that? What do you think about that? These are very interesting ideas or not? If you leave your comment section, if your opinion leave in my comment section, we will really thankful to you, and it would be really nice of you that your precious time get in more precious time, so for our viewers. So thank you for watching. Have a very nice and beautiful journey. We will try to upload best and beautiful designs for our viewers and subscribers. And I want to tell you, it's a beautiful and interesting idea for our viewers and subscribers. And want to tell you, don't throw away your trash can, jar, and bottles, and use it, recycle it, make it for art shop, craft shop, post your bottles on social media platform. It would be a really nice response you get, and you can grow your business. Family, friends, show your art with family, friends. Festival stalls, you can make a stall. So these are very beautiful and popular designs for viewers. So if you like these type of designs, if you want to know these types more ideas, so we will try to upload more designs and more ideas for our viewers and subscribers. Thank you for watching. Have a very nice and beautiful journey. Take care of yourself and your family members. अपना बहुत सारा ख्याल रखिएगा, एंड और अच्छे अच्छे डिज़ाइन हम आप लोगों के लिए लेकर आते रहेंगे. खूबसूरत डिज़ाइन खुशियों के साथ. आई विश जो भी जहाँ भी ये वीडियो देख रहा है, मे योर लाइफ filled with, refined with, blessed and happiness, and keep smiling, keep crafting, keep enjoying your life with your loved ones. Keep safe and happy forever. If you want to watch more designs like this, so leave your comment in the comment section. Write your opinion in the comment section, and we will try to upload best designs and best ideas Thank you for watching. Bless you. Stay blessed, you and your family. May your life fulfilled with happiness and many more. May you have many, many, many more. Keep crafting. Keep awake your inner crafter. Make with your mind, and you came out. It came out. It would become out a beautiful style and beautiful masterpiece for your centerpiece. Thank you for watching.